So in this question, we're going to be looking at clinical trials and patient recruitment for trial arms. This type of question basically goes back to simple ratio, all the way back to GCSE years. So it should be quite a nice and easy question to tackle. But just for those who don't quite get clinical trial arms, we're going to go over an example anyway. So in this question, you are working as a clinical trial pharmacist and you're in charge of setting out recruitment terms for the arms. You have requested that patients are spread through the trial arms at a ratio of 2 to 2 to 4. So there's 3 arms at 2 to 2 to 4 with a minimum of 45 patients per arm. What is the minimum number of patients needed for this trial? So at this point, feel free to work out the question, hit pause, and once you've worked out the answer, click play again and we'll go through the answer. So please press pause now. Okay, so the answer was 180 patients. Let's see how we actually got there. So you're working as a clinical trial pharmacist, waffle, 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 trial arms ratio of 2 to 2 to 4. Minimum of 45 patients per arm. Okay, so what is the minimum number of patients needed for this trial? This means the smallest number of patients in one arm has to be 45. So we're going to go off that basis. So the first thing we need to do is find the arm with the least participants. In these 3 arms, it would be the values of 2. So this 2, remember, we have a minimum of 45 people per arm. This 2 would have 45 people in it as a minimum. Now remember, from here, all we're doing is multiplying by ratios. So if this has a minimum of 45, this will also have a minimum of 45. If this needs double the amount of these arms, because remember 4 is double of 2, the minimum number in this arm is 90 patients. So you would want to do 45 patients to 45 patients to 90. That's our 2 to 2 to 4 ratio. And that effectively causes the final number to be 180. Okay. What you don't want is to divide the 45 by 2 and then do it 1 to 1 to 2, because you won't have a minimum of 45. You need the minimum number to be 45, and then it's easy multiplications from there. So that's how you do a trial arm question. If you enjoyed this and want to see more examples of trial arm questions, reach out to us at www.revisepharma.com for more examples. Thank you.